Hey, fellow Monopoly enthusiasts, are you tired of seeing that frustrating Monopoly Go error occurred message popping up on your screen just when you're about to make a game changing move? If so, you're not alone. This common hiccup can put the brakes on your property empire plan. Fear not, because in this guide, I'm going to walk you through how to fix Monopoly Go error occurred so you can get back to building your real estate empire without a hit. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first step in resolving the error is ensuring your internet connection is stable and robust. Monopoly Go is an online game and requires a reliable connection to function smoothly. Start by turning off your Wi-Fi on the device you're playing from, and then turning it back on. If you're on mobile data, ensure that your signal is strong enough. Alternatively, try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data or vice versa to see if there's an improvement. Quick check on your network status might just solve the problem right away. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes the simplest solution can be the most effective. Restarting your device can help clear any temporary glitches that might be causing the Monopoly Go error. Power off your smartphone, tablet, or computer, wait a few seconds, and then power it back on. Once rebooted, launch the Monopoly Go app and see if the issue persists. Step 3. Update the app. An outdated version of Monopoly Go might be the culprit behind the error message. Developers frequently release updates, fix bugs, and improve performance. Head to your device's app store and check if there's an available update for Monopoly Go. If there is, download and install it. Then, try opening the game again to see if the problem is resolved. Step 4. Clear app cache. If updating doesn't work, try clearing the app's cache. This process can help remove any corrupt files that might be causing the error. On your device, go to Settings, Apps, Monopoly Go, Storage, and select Clear Cache. This will refresh the app's temporary data and might just fix the problem. Step 5. Reinstall Monopoly Go. This action will ensure that any corrupted files are completely removed and replaced with fresh, error-free ones. Before uninstalling, make sure to back up your game and data if possible. Once reinstalled, open Monopoly Go and check if the issue has been resolved. Step 6. Contact support. If you've tried all the above steps and are still facing the Monopoly Go error, it might be time to reach out to the game's customer support team. They may be aware of the error and have specific troubleshooting steps tailored to your problem. Provide them with detailed information about the error and what you've done so far to resolve. There you have it. A comprehensive guide on how to fix Monopoly Go error occurred. Remember, technical glitches are part and parcel of today's digital gaming world, and there's usually a handy fix just around the corner. By checking your internet connection, updating the app, and if necessary, contacting support, you can tackle this pesky issue. Focus on building your Monopoly Go empire. Happy gaming, dice always roll in your favor.